In this video, we will learn how to insert average function in Excel sheet. So let's start. Open your Excel sheet and select the cell where you want to insert average function. So I just select this cell and go to the formulas tab. In function libraries group have a insert function option. Just click on it and here the insert function dialog box is open. Search for the function. You can enter here the average function also and click on go to search here. If you don't find here, so you can search this way. I select here the average and click on OK. And here the function arguments dialog box is open for average. In number 1, you can see the data range is automatically selected D2 to D11. D is the amount column and here you can see D2 to D11. Okay, here is automatically selected because I select this cell to taken this average of this column. Okay, for taking this average of this column, therefore is taking this column D column. Okay, then here you can see the is equal to in bracket also showing, in semicolon the amount also all showing here. Okay, just click on OK, and before that you can check here the formula result. 2315 is the average here result. Just click on OK and here you can see 2315. Okay, so I just remove this and I show you the different way to get the average. So I select here the full data and here you can see the icon. Just keep cursor on this is the icon, the quick analysis. Just click on it, then click on the total tab. Okay, then here you can see the average. You get the average of all column. Okay, price, unit sold, total amount also see the 2315. Just I see the average. Okay, the same amount is showing here also. Okay, and the second way I show you here. Just select the cell and again the same, go to the formulas tab. Here you can see the AutoSum option. Just click on this drop down arrow and here have a second option, average. Just click on it and press the enter key of the keyboard. You can see here the same amount get the 2315, the average of this column. And the fourth way, just use the average function is equal to average. Then here you can see the average, select, then use the tab, then select the column and use the bracket close and just press the enter key. Okay, so here you see the same amount of average 2315. Okay, so this is a way you can calculate the average amount in Excel sheet in different way. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.